Okay, it is day 40. We have reached 40 days of uploading a video every day for 365 days. We're on a streak to do 365, but it's day 40. So thanks for sticking with me if you've been here from the beginning, or if you've been here way longer than the journey of that, because I've been uploading for way longer than that. But this year I decided to make a goal to upload a video every day for 365 days. So we're doing it. Anyway, today's goal is to get this part of the basement primed and then that wall painted. Picked a pretty cool color. I think it's a cool color. That's going to be an accent wall along with the coffee bar area. So let's get to it. We do need to do a little more sanding on this side before we start priming. So we're going to do the sanding first, get to the priming. Also, meet Queen Gary, or King Gary. He thinks he's the king of the house. He's actually just a little turd. A little turd. Ah. That right there has got to be one of my least favorite things of all time. I am probably a gross mess. I should have worn a mask of some sort. But sanding this half of the basement is now done. And gross. We're gonna continue by cleaning it up, sweeping the walls, wipe down the walls with a damp rag. And then from there, we're gonna get it primed. And I'm excited because that means no more dust until I sand that half of the basement. Just need to do a little more mudding on that side, but I want to feel some excitement. Probably a backwards way of doing it, but I want to feel some excitement on the coffee bar side of the basement. And so we're gonna do it. We're going to do it. We're gonna prime it, paint it today. All right, we're ready for primer. And I'm actually gonna prime this door and that door just to see what it looks like with white doors, because why not? Yeah, we're gonna prime this whole side. Do a coat of primer. I think we'll do 2 coats of primer today. If it depends how fast it's drying. And maybe by the end of the day, I can do a coat of the color that we do for the accent wall. Which, if you guys want to see that color, wait till later in the video. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're gonna. It may look like a different day because I am wearing different clothes. Really, I just went and showered and changed. You guys saw the time lapse of the primer being done. Now we're ready. It's dried enough. This stuff's drying fast down here. It's dried enough that I'm going to paint this wall. This is the accent wall in the basement. This is what we're calling the accent wall because this is where the coffee bar is going to go. And we wanted a different color. So that's what we're going to do. And, this is also the time when you guys find out what color that is. Pause the video and make sure you guys comment down below what you think the color is. What color accent wall would you put by a coffee bar? Here's the moment of truth for you guys of what color it actually is. Yeah, you professional painters are gonna say that's the wrong tool to open it. I've never been a green guy until like the past 2-3 years, or even the past year maybe. But accent wall in this color or close colors just looks so good. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this guy right into there.
tell me that that's not just gonna be amazing. I mean, you can tell me that. I'm still not convinced that it's not gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. Okay? I'm sold on it. Whether you are or not, I am. Look at that. I'm not worried about that spot there. And that because of baseboards. Or that because of baseboards, but that spot there because that's where the cabinets are going up until here for the coffee bar. So, but yeah, there we go. Actually, really like this color. Really happy with it. Got everything else here primed. Looking so good. So good. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button.